Hello, I came to visit this beautiful church of Saint Francis Xavier 6 months ago, and I brought my son Darren and Sylvester. I had just lost my husband, and when I came to this place, this very holy place, I was completely healed. I felt the pain was just washed away by our Lord Jesus, and my son was healed. He's all over the place, but after that he sat down beautifully and heard the mass very calm and quietly, listening to all the words that the priest was saying. And also my son was healed because we had gone through a very difficult trauma in our life, and by our Lord Jesus we are completely healed. Thank you.